What are you doing, T? What are you doing?
Having fun.
What are you looking at?
Trailer.
Yeah, what is it doing?
It's riding.
It's riding.
It's going.
It's going. Is it following us?
Yep.
Yep.
But why?
It's hooked up to the truck. Oh, you know what? She wasn't with us when we brought it home from Portland. This is your first time with the trailer hooked to the truck. This is how we're gonna take it everywhere with us. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is that confusing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mama hooked it up to the truck and then we pull it, just like your toy. You know, your toy truck and trailer? It's the same thing.